Get in, Sid, quickly! The storm is getting worse!
Help me with the children! Close the doors!
Keep warm, Mother. We'll be all right. Stay strong, Father.
All right, let's put this one here.
Careful, it's heavy. Next one goes on top. Now you both stay warm in this house. Thank you, Lisa. It's beautiful, dear. Here you go. I made eggs and boiled potatoes.
It smells delicious.
Thank you, Lisa. The snow is beautiful outside, but I'm glad we're in here.
I made a really big one. Look at my snowman. Let's make it bigger.